Measuring is something we do every day. We measure to find out how big or small something is. One kind of measuring is called measuring length. What is length? Length tells us how long something is. We can measure the length of a pencil, a shoe, a table, or even how far we can jump. Some things are short, like a spoon. Some things are long, like a broom. We use the word length when we want to talk about how long something is from one end to the other. Comparing lengths. Sometimes we don't need a ruler. We can look at two things and compare them. We can ask, which one is longer? Which one is shorter? Are they the same length? If you hold two crayons side by side, you can see which crayon is longer and which one is shorter. That is called comparing lengths. How do we measure? We can measure with special tools or with things we already have around us. Some tools we use to measure are rulers, tape measures, measuring sticks, yardsticks. But sometimes in kindergarten, we use fun things to measure. We can use blocks, cubes, paper clips, hands, feet. We line them up, one after the other, next to the thing we want to measure. Let's say we want to measure a book. We put paper clips along the bottom of the book and count them. This book is 6 paper clips long. That's measuring with non-standard units. A unit is the thing we are using to measure, like a block or a clip. What is a scale? A scale is a way to measure that stays the same each time. When we use the same size blocks, clips, or tools, we are using a scale. Scales help us be fair and clear when we measure. If one friend uses big blocks and another friend uses small ones, their answers will not match. But if everyone uses the same kind of block or clip, then the measuring is fair. That's why using a scale is important. Rules for measuring. There are some simple rules we follow when we measure. Start at the end of the object. We always begin measuring from one end. Go in a straight line. If the line is bumpy or curved, the answer won't be right. Don't leave spaces. Each block or clip should touch the next one. Count carefully. Make sure not to skip any blocks or clips. Use the same tool or unit. That way, your measurement makes sense.